To enable contactless payments on Revolut, follow these simple steps. First, ensure your Revolut app is up to date, as this feature may require the latest version. Open the Revolut app and log into your account. Navigate to the Cards section, usually found at the bottom of the screen. Select the card you want to enable contactless payments for. In the card settings, look for the Contactless Payments option. This may be under a submenu such as Card Settings or Card Controls. Toggle the switch to the right to enable contactless payments. You may be prompted to confirm this change or enter a verification code sent to your phone or email. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. Once contactless payments are enabled, you can use your Revolut card to make touchless transactions at participating merchants. To do so, wake your phone and hold it near the contactless payment terminal. You may need to authenticate the transaction using face recognition, fingerprint, or your phone's passcode, depending on your device's security settings. Best practices for using contactless payments on Revolut include keeping your phone and card details secure, monitoring your account activity regularly, and being aware of your surroundings when making transactions. Additionally, be mindful of the contactless payment limits, which may vary depending on your location and the merchant. By following these steps and guidelines, you can easily enable and use contactless payments on Revolut, making your transactions faster and more convenient.